how to create a subscription form on MailChimp. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a subscription form on your MailChimp account. Now the first thing we're going to do is look over here on the left side. We have multiple options. We have campaigns, audience, automation, analytics, websites, contents, integrations, help, and the search bar. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the audience. And then under audience, we have the audience dashboard, all contacts, sign up forms, tags, segments, surveys, and your inbox. What we're going to click on is the sign up form. Now over here, we are at the page of the sign up forms. We have the form builder, embedded forms, subscriber pop-ups, contact form, and form integration. What we're going to select is the embedded form. Simply going to select this option over here. And then we are redirected to this embedded form builder. As you can see, this is our current form. It is very simple where it says subscribe, then we would need to enter our email address and then simply click on subscribe to send in the data. Now over here on the left side, we have form fields, settings, tags, and referral badge. What we're going to click on is the form fields. Now under the form fields, this is where we will be able to add the options that we want to ask our audience. Right now we have email enabled as a default. We could enable middle name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, and a random question, and a custom question. As you can see here, our form is now updated. We now see the email address, middle name, last name, and address like the way we adjusted over here on the left side. We could also turn off by simply clicking the same button, just like that, and the address is now gone. We could also rearrange our questions by simply dragging it. As you can see over here, the middle name has been moved to the bottom. We could also move the email address to the bottom, just like that, and it will update on our form viewer. Now, if you want to add custom fields like this, for example, we have the how many coffee do we drink option, which is a custom question that I made before. We're going to simply click this option over here to create a new field for us to add to our form. And now over here, we are redirected to this page where we can customize the audience fields and merge tags. As you can see here, we have the field label and type. If we want it to be required, visible, put this tag into your content, and default tag value. Now under the field name and type, as you can see here, we have the title of the different fields. Just like over here, where we have the middle name, last name, and address. We also have it over here like the last name, email address, middle name, and the other options. Now to delete a field, we can simply click over here on the right side. Clicking on this icon would remove this, would ask us to add a confirmation to delete a field. We're simply going to type in the confirmation word and then click on delete. And as you can see, the phone number option is now gone. Similarly over here, if we refresh this, it is also now gone from our options. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on add a field. It is then going to ask us what type of field we want to add. If we want to add a text, a number, radio buttons, drop down, date, birthday, address, zip codes, phone, websites, or an image. We're simply going to choose a simple field type, which is the text. And now as you can see, we have a different field over here where it is a text. We can simply change our question to what is your job? And then we could choose if we want it to be required. We're simply going to check over here. And if we want it to be visible. And we could see the put this tag into your content and the default merge tag value of our new field. Now, after doing that, we can simply click on Save Change. And then our field will be saved. Now, we're going back to our form builder over here, and we're going to click on the refresh button. We're once again going to click on our form fields. And as you can see, our new field is now added into our options over here. We're going to click this, and we would be able to see the field that we have created into our form, just like that. Now we're going to go and explore the settings. Under the settings, we can change the form title. We're going to change it to email registration. We could also change the width to different pixels. We could remove the CSS style if we want. We could also disable the JavaScript, show format options, and show the archive link. Now going back, we're going to click on the tag this time. And over the tags, we could add a tag to people who are registering over here. We could simply add a tag called new email registration and click on create. And after and whenever a customer or an audience finish our form over here and then click subscribe, they will be added a tag called new email registration for easy categorizing in the future. Now we're going to look at the referral badge, and over the referral badge, which is this, wherein it says made with MailChimp, we could see if you want the badge style to be in the light or the dark style, just like here. You could also disable this referral badge if and whenever you upgraded your plan. Now going back, now if you want to continue on later, you can simply click on this option over here, which will allow you to finish this form later, or you can simply click on this option on the top right. Now over here, it will inform us that our form is ready, and this will be our code for our embedded form. As you can see over here, we have a code created for us using the form builder. We can simply copy this code, and then we could paste this code into our website's HTML where we want the form to appear. Now to inform you, this is what our email registration would look like. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a subscription form on MailChimp. Hope you enjoyed.